Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I'm going to continue my previous videos on the Epic Skin Tool by Osmosis Beauty. And the reason why is my other videos, the first one came out right when the Epic Tool first came on, in fact, before it hit the market, because I had it beforehand. So I did that so my customers would understand how it worked. And then I did another video so that you could see, as I knew more, how it operated. Well, now I've even come up with more. You know, I receive questions from my clients, and I did check with Osmosis to verify some of the answers. And one of the first ones I want to address is there's full directions inside your box. So directions for use. And these are guidelines. These are what you should be doing, but if you need to deviate a little, that's fine. But one of the things that I wanted to address, I had seen another video where it says here, forehead, 5 to 8 passes, 5 to 8 passes. And that means you will go down 5 to 8 times, 5 to 8. That's it. Because I know I saw somebody else said go back and do it 5 to 8 times. You know, you don't do that. That's way too much for the skin. So 5 to 8 times. For me, I usually do about 5, you know, but it depends on how big your forehead is and how your skin is feeling from that. So that is one of the first things. Also, another question is the product penetration. Because when you do microneedling with the needles, with your rollers, or however you use it at home, you're getting about 60% penetration because you've got those little needles going in your skin. Now this doesn't have needles, it has little pyramids on the top. And with this you're going to get about 30% penetration, but you can do this more often. You know, with the microneedling, you cannot do that every day. It's just too much for this on the skin. And with this, you can do this if you want to do it several times a week. You know, again, it's up to how your skin feels. A lot of times you might feel at the time you're doing it that your skin feels good, and then if you overdo it, then the next day when you're putting on your serums, you might feel tingly, and then you think, maybe I overdid a little bit. So, you know, you want to watch out for that. So that is as far as my question on penetration. Also, when you apply your serums, it says before, you know, apply them and let them dry. Well, that's not, they don't mean like put them on and wait 10 minutes for them to dry. You put them on, just put on whatever serums you're going to use. They're in your skin. Then you go ahead and do your tool in your regimen that you've decided that works for you. And that's it. That's going to help them then penetrate. And then what I found that I like is after I use that, I'll go back and maybe add a little bit more stem factor or some hyaluronic acid or something that I want to get into my skin a little bit more, and use it as an after treatment also. And the final thing I want to say with this about how it works is before, you know, it says go in a downward motion, go down. So as an esthetician, we're always trained to go up, you know. And before, in my last video, I was, after talking again with someone on Osmosis, when you go down, you can literally feel the skin in here. And it's rolling the skin in the right way. So you can do that. But now I found out with more clarity on this, you can, when you turn it this way, you're still going down, but you're going down, you know, towards the tip. So it's still considered down. And I know for me, I like this area. I like to go up, and it feels really good going under the cheekbones, you know, cheekbones, and continue it on. But so again, you could go this way or this way, but you don't want to go up and down this way. No, no, no. You're not painting your house. You're doing your face, you know. And our skin's very gentle. You don't realize that. It's you want to take care of it, and that's why there's so many what I call I don't want to use the word abusive, but maybe overactive procedures that you could do. You know, they're meant for estheticians, and I know a lot of you want to do them at home, but some of them are just too aggressive, and especially if you do them too many times. You know, like a peel, for example, that shouldn't be done more than 10 days, 2 weeks in between. You know, you don't want to do it every day. You don't want to microneedle every day. You know, you want to be gentle with the skin, because the more gentle you are with it, it looks better. And even with like something like this, 30% penetration versus 60% with needles, this is still wonderful. And you could do it then more often and not have to worry about it. So those are my updated answers for you. And I want to, one of my favorite things to do before I close is, you know, when you have a skincare device, sometimes, you know, when you're tired or you just don't feel like taking the extra 5 or 10 minutes, whatever, to do your face with it. So with this, you can just lay in bed, you know, and I do that many times at night. I'll put on my serums and then I'll just lay in bed and do my face, and then I wake up in the morning and I feel wonderful. So that way there's no excuses why you can't use this. So if you have any questions, you can call me on my toll-free number, or you can send me an email. I'm happy to help you. I have all the links below of what you need to know on this, and I have special codes for my customers. You know, I'm happy to help you, and Osmosis is always happy to help you too on this. So I really look forward to helping you and look and feel better. Thank you. Bye.